Hello, so today we are going to be doing research using Boolean. So this has three functions and it requires you to use an, or not when Googling a topic. So my topic is, what effects does alcohol have on the physical activity? So I started my search. We are going to do "and" first. So I did effects of alcohol and physical activity. So we're going to do search. So we have, can alcohol affect sports performance and fitness levels, along with other links. Next we're going to do effects of alcohol or physical activity. So it looks like we get the same link right here and probably right here as well, because that one looks familiar. And our last one we're going to do is effects of alcohol, not physical activity. So right here we have physical fitness versus alcohol, where I guess this is kind of where it compares the two rather than how it affects. So yeah.